Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan has spent 3 days at Mumbai's Arthur Road jail so far. The Sessions Court in Mumbai could take up his bail plea for hearing today. It remains to be seen whether Shah Rukh Khan's son finally gets some relief in the cruise drug bust case. So far as the investigation is concerned, the Drug Control Agency has widened its probe in the case. International links in this case are under the NCB scanner because another foreign national has been arrested. A Nigerian national was nabbed with an intermediate quantity of cocaine during raids in Mumbai's Goregaon yesterday. This is the 20th arrest in the case and the second of a foreign national. The arrested accused is going to be produced in court today. In all likelihood, 4 other arrested accused in the case could also be produced in court as their custody with the Narcotics Control Bureau ends today.
नाइजीरियन नेशनल्स हम पहले भी हमने काफ़ी इस साल अरेस्ट किए हैं, अभी भी आपने जैसे खुद ही बोला हो रहे हैं। तो ड्रग वर्ल्ड में नेशनलिटी इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है, हर तरह के लोग उसमें हैं। वी विल रिव्यू एवरीथिंग एंड proceed as per the facts that are there.
Let's take this across to Vidya, who's joining us live from Mumbai with the latest updates on this case. Vidya, good morning. Does it look likely that the Sessions Court is going to take up Aryan's bail plea hearing?
Akshita, good morning. It's just that, the procedure will start today itself. You remember the petition had been filed on Friday itself. NCB has been notified. They have been told to, file a reply to come to the court. It's just that, there are certain nitty-gritties. Remember, the NCB is notified. They will be in the court, but if they do not come with a reply, the court will have to ask them to furnish a reply. Then the arguments will really take place in this case. So it will take a while. Even if the lawyers of Aryan Khan press for an emergency, saying that there's nothing on him, there's nothing found from him, and that he lives in Bandra, he lives in a very high-profile family, he cannot run away. Remember, there are ways to oppose it. The NCB has been opposing it, saying very clearly that, he's from an influential family, he could influence the witnesses and tamper with evidence, is something that they have been saying all along, and they are likely to repeat that again. So certainly the opposition by the NCB will happen, and it just has to be seen as to how the mechanisms of the delays that really take place in courts, is that overcome by Aryan Khan's lawyers, or it does take the usual while, then it will take a while before the entire hearing and the order gets passed on this.
Okay, we'll keep tracking the latest from Mumbai. For the moment, Vidya, thank you very much for joining us. Let's also get you now this report on so far where this legal case has headed. Aryan Khan's bail plea hearing could come up today, but remember that he's been charged by the Narcotics Control Bureau for procuring, for purchase and for the consumption of drugs.
Aryan, you have to say anything? Aryan?
Superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son spends another night in jail. 23-year-old Aryan is lodged in Mumbai's Arthur Road jail's barrack number 1 in the quarantine cell. Aryan Khan's hopes of walking free in the cruise drug bust case now rests on his bail plea, likely to be filed in a Mumbai court on or after Monday. The bail plea was delayed due to court being closed on weekend. NCB has charged him for procuring, purchase and consumption of drugs. Meanwhile, Narco Bureau grilled Shah Rukh Khan's driver on Saturday for 12 hours. The driver admitted that he dropped off Aryan and friend Arbaz to the cruise terminal in a Mercedes. The NCB also quizzed the driver about the activities of Aryan and his friends. The statement of the driver will also be used by NCB in court. According to reports, Aryan, his friend Arbaz and Prateek Gaba and one more person left Shah Rukh Khan's bungalow, Mannat, together. Narcotics Bureau is also widening the drug probe, arresting the supplier who gave drugs to Arbaz merchant. Narco Bureau also carried out many raids in Goregaon area of Mumbai and detained several suspected peddlers. Drugs were also seized from the detainees. As the probe in the Mumbai cruise drug bust case deepens, Aryan's fate hangs in balance. Will he get bail or stay in jail?
NCB is likely to oppose Aryan Khan's bail in the Sessions Court, and they are preparing a strong ground for it by arresting suppliers and drug peddlers. Imtiaz Khatri, who's a film producer, has also been called again for questioning. With camera person Hemant, Mustafa Sheikh in Mumbai for India Today.
And there's also been endless politics in this cruise drug bust case. How? Well, the NCP has been claiming that all of these raids are politically motivated by the BJP. Now, beyond that, Nawab Malik has now come out with some fresh allegations. He claims that 3 people were initially detained by the NCB and then let off because of BJP's pressure. One of them is Rishabh Sachdeva. He was in fact taken in, he was detained and then let off. And the NCP claims this was because he was the brother-in-law of a BJP leader.
Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan's arrest in Mumbai cruise drug case has turned into a full-blown political war. Fresh twist in the case after Aryan Khan was sent to judicial custody. Maharashtra Minister Nawab Malik has once again hit out at NCB, accusing it of violating protocol during the cruise raid. Malik tweeted a video alleging that the Panchnama was not done on the cruise but was done in NCB's Zonal Director Sameer Wankade's office. On Saturday, NCP's Nawab Malik leveled a sensational fresh charge at Narcotics Control Bureau, and central to those charges are 3 characters: Rishabh Sachdev, Pratik Gaba, Amir Furniturewala. Malik alleged that the BJP leader Mohit Bhartiya's brother-in-law Rishabh and 2 of his associates, Pratik and Amir, were let off after being detained on the same night that Aryan was nabbed. But the NCB dismissed all allegations of bias.
11 लोगों का डिटेंशन हुआ और फिर उसके बाद एकाएक खबरें आई कि 8 लोगों को ही डिटेन किया गया है। उसमें 3 लोगों को छोड़ा गया। वो 3 लोगों के नाम हैं ऋषभ सचदेवा, प्रतीक गाबा और तीसरा नाम है आमिर फर्नीचर वाला।
A total of 14 persons were brought to NCB office for examination. All of them were served notice under Section 67 of NDPS Act. 8 persons were arrested and remaining 6 persons were let off, since no incriminating evidence was found against them.
Nawab Malik has also released some pictures and videos. NCP minister alleged that Rishabh Sachdev, Pratik Gaba and Amir Furniturewala were taken to the NCB office but were later let off. India Today exclusively accessed images of sanitary pads used to hide drugs on board the cruise ship and later seized by the Narcotics Control Bureau. The Narco Bureau also hit back at the Maharashtra minister.
एनसीबी बताए कि 3 लोगों को क्यों डिटेन किया, क्यों छोड़ा, उनके घर के लोग अंदर कैसे आए, किस नेता का फोन आया था, किसके बोलने पे छोड़ा गया, ये सारे सवालों का जवाब एनसीबी को देना पड़ेगा।
All the allegations leveled against the NCB are baseless, motivated, afterthought and prejudiced. Such statements are based on conjecture and assumptions. These assumptions are frivolous and malicious in the view of document and record produced, duly followed by NCB, that can be subject to legal verification. NCB reiterates that its procedure has been and will continue to be professionally and legally transparent and unbiased, and all the suspect and accused persons have been treated at par and in accordance with law.
Nawab Malik claimed Rishabh Sachdev is the brother-in-law of Bharatiya Janata Party leader Bhartiya, who is the former president of Mumbai BJP Yuva Morcha. Miffed with the allegations, Mohit Bhartiya has sent a legal notice to NCP Minister Nawab Malik. Mohit says in the notice that he is not an office bearer of the BJP. Former Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis slammed the NCP, claiming they were not revealing the entire truth.
NCB ने बहुत क्लियरली ये बताया है, जो लोग क्लीन थे उनको छोड़ दिया गया। इसका राजनीतिकरण करना ये अपने आप में बहुत गलत है। वैसे तो जिन लोगों को छोड़ा गया उसमें एनसीपी के भी एक बड़े नेता के बेटे से जुड़ा हुआ व्यक्ति, उसको भी छोड़ा है। लेकिन हम इसलिए उनका नाम नहीं लेते कि वो क्लीन थे।
Nawab Malik claims that Aryan Khan went to the party on the invitation by Gaba and Furniturewala. The NCP minister once again defended Aryan, saying that the raids were staged to implicate Shah Rukh Khan's son. As the probe widens, there are many unanswered questions. It's up to the NCB, that is the Narcotics Control Bureau now, to answer them through their investigation. Bureau Report, India Today.